So honestly, it really feels surreal even now. I mean, it feels like living a dream that we saw 2 years back.
कैसा लग रहा
मुझे
भाई?
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर। मतलब ऐसा कभी आई नेवर इमेजिन्ड कि आई वुड गेट AIR 1। तो ये मतलब
Oh, super, super. This is something which is can't we create a single batch which covers everything and जहाँ पर हम एक अच्छा structure दें बच्चों को and so this idea actually came. So hi everyone, good evening and Jai Hind. So we have a very special guest with us and also someone who has cracked rank one in ISI B Start, Rishit. He was our full-time student, full math mastery student from our first full math mastery batch 2025. And also we have Rishit's parents with us. Special thanks to ma'am who has joined us from UK at this particular time. And so before I hand over, and also Chetan sir and Rajit sir was the one who mentored Rishit in his journey, particularly the final months. And एग्जाम से पहले ही रजित सर ने मुझे बोल दिया था कि सर रैंक वन आने वाला है एंड ऋषित का आने वाला है एंड बिकॉज अनलाइक जेई यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी अनसर्टेनिटी रहती है बिकॉज जेई के अंदर इट इज 0 or 1 राइट सो either the answer is correct or not. It's an objective kind of exam. ISI being a subjective kind of exam wherein of course UGA portion we are able to gather the marks but UGB हमें marks नहीं पता चलते हैं because of course that is purely subjective. बट रजित सर न्यू ऋषित सो वेल दैट अगर ऋषित ने बोला है कि 5 क्वेश्चन सही हैं एंड कुछ पासेस मिलेंगे तो ही न्यू दैट 5 क्वेश्चन सही हैं कुछ पासेस मिलेंगे एंड ऑफ कोर्स कुडोस टू you Rajit sir and also Rishit. So before we hand over the mic to Rajit sir, Rishit and Chetan sir, ma'am and sir, right? So we want to take your reaction. How do you feel, Rishit, rank one? I mean, what is the feeling?
So honestly, it really feels surreal even now. I mean, feels like living a dream that we saw 2 years back. And at that point in time, it was like probably it wasn't even getting a rank one at that point in time. It was more about cracking ISI. And only for the last 4 or 5 months back, probably we were looking, saying that, okay, let's target for ISI rank one, because that is when you aim for the stars, you will at least land on the moon. That is always something that we think for. And it's really Rishit's hard work, commitment, and all of your guidance that has really landed us here. So really super proud of Rishit, and hugely grateful to the Vedantu team for supporting us with this one, and letting Rishit achieve his full potential there, as what I would say.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was Rishit's efforts. And yes, sir. Sir, how do you feel, sir?
यस, ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एज आई से, बिकॉज ये जो फीलिंग है ये मतलब हम वर्ड्स में तो बोल ही नहीं सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
पहले दूसरों की एआर्स देखते थे, हाँ न्यूज़पेपर में आ रही, किसी की नीट में आ रही, किसी की आईआईटी में आ रही है, बट नेवर थॉट कि हाँ अपने घर में आएगी और हमारा बेटा लेके आएगा। तो दैट इज अ
Amazing.
टोटल डिफरेंट फीलिंग। एंड ऑलवेज सिंस यस्टरडे और सिंस द डे बिफोर यस्टरडे रिजल्ट हैज कम, ऑलवेज व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग टू समवन, ऑलवेज द आईज आर वेट। सो
Amazing, sir. It
it's a
is it
different
is
feeling.
an amazing feeling, and I'm sure it is the same reaction with the Rajit sir. Rajit sir, how do you feel? Rank one 2024, rank one 2025. मतलब आप तो छा गए हो.
So this year actually it has been very special just because of that simple fact, because uh, last year's में ऐसा था कि ठीक है we had this कि वो उनके Olympiad background से तो कहीं safety feel होती थी, but this year when things were going on and we were seeing, I was seeing the performances and all, I was इस बार ना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, तो ठीक है इस बार मेहनत ना, इस बार एक्चुअली वो मजा आएगा अगर इस बार कुछ वी डू लाइक दिस। एंड व्हेन आई वाज डीलिंग विद दीस किड्स, मतलब रेशद एंड द अदर पीपल, इनसे भी सबसे बात की है, दे वर एक्चुअली ग्रोइंग एट अ वेरी मार्वलस पेस। मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि सिलेबस पूरा किया था इन्होंने, तब क्या लेवल था वर्सेस 3 months या 4 months डाउन द लाइन हाउ मच दे हैड अचीव्ड, मतलब सीइंग दैट वाज वेरी मार्वलस। एंड जब से रिजल्ट आया है कल से, तो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग एवरीवन अराउंड मी कि भाई रैंक वन रैंक वन रैंक वन रैंक वन इतना हो गया, मैं ऋषि को फोन भी करना भूल गया। 2 घंटे बाद मैंने फोन किया उसे कि भाई कि तुझे कांग्रेचुलेट कर दूं, बाकी तो आई एम लाइक टेलिंग लिटरली एवरीवन दिस इज सच अ बिग मैं लास्ट ईयर से ज्यादा खुश इस बार हूं, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट।
Yes, and everyone is
दिस
because
इज एक्चुअली
again to put Rajit sir's perspective better. So basically, ISI का जो exam होता है, this is for everyone who's watching this. It is a union of JEE syllabi and Olympiad syllabi, right? So JEE Advanced plus Olympiad. So this is what ISI is. And normally, historically speaking, the top rankers, the top scorers in ISI have always been the ones who have had Olympiad background in grade 8, grade 9, grade 10. A lot of them, for example, Arnab Sanyal, he was in Awadi 2024 and also cleared ISI rank 1. But again, he had his roots. He had started, Olympiad preparation way early. Again, so this is what makes Rishit's performance so special, in ISI 2025, with almost zero, background and zero Olympiad background, starting from the start, and again making it to where it is. This is an inspiration to a lot of students. So moving on to Rishit. Rishit, how do you feel? कैसा लग रहा है भाई?
सर बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर। मतलब ऐसा कभी आई नेवर इमेजिन्ड कि आई वुड गेट AIR 1। मतलब माय मॉम ऑलवेज यहाँ पे मतलब एक फोटो लगा हुआ है मेरा फॉर मैनिफेस्टेशन की मतलब ऋषित को AIR 1 आएगा। तो मैंने हमेशा हमेशा सोचता था कि AIR 1 तो नहीं आएगा पर पास हो तो जाऊंगा। पर
हाँ,
अभी मतलब जब AIR 1 आया तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है, मजा आ रहा है।
अमेजिंग। तो मैम आप भी मतलब रोंडा ब्रांड के बहुत बड़े फैन हो मतलब?
तो एक्चुअली
दैट्स
तो
ग्रेट।
एक्चुअली आस्था ने ये इमेज इसकी पिक प्रिंट कराया, उसके ऊपर लिखा ISI रैंक 1 एंड दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट अ ईयर अगो एंड नॉट
Amazing.
नाउ
Can we see this
एंड
picture? Can we have this picture?
ओके वेट।
Okay,
yeah,
maybe.
he's just taking out of him. And one more what Rishit has written.
मेरी मम्मा ने बनाया है।
अच्छा ये भी मम्मा ने बनाया है, wow. So these two things is on his desk always. You see.
Amazing, ma'am. This is surreal. ये हम बोलते रहते हैं कि यार you just manifest this.
तो ये मतलब
Oh, super. This is something which is amazing.
Amazing.
Rishit, I mean, probably after this interview, send this pic to us so that, I mean, we are able to share this to everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for this. I mean,
And this is
kudos
another.
to you. I mean,
I
oh,
think
amazing.
I think it is the other way
Super.
around. So it's written he believed he could, so he
So
did. Give it to your best try.
अमेजिंग, सुपर मैम, कांग्रेस टू यू। एंड मुझे लग रहा है कि सबसे बड़ा रोल आप ही का है इस इवेंट में, एंड कुडोस टू यू।
Yeah.
सुपर मैम। मतलब तो मतलब
So
मैं भी बहुत
वैसे
बड़ा
that
फैन
is
हूँ
also that's right because actually आपके सेशंस पढ़ाई वाले होते थे जो ऋषित अटेंड करता था, जो अदर देन पढ़ाई वाले आपके सेशंस होते थे वो सारे आस्था अटेंड करती थी। मतलब मतलब इतने सेशंस, मतलब आई थिंक रात में सोने के टाइम पर लाइक ऑल द सेशंस, और फिर उसके बाद ऋषित को डाउनलोड देती थी नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग या कभी भी कि भाई ये हुआ है, तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो। मतलब दोनों ने मिलकर टाइम वेस्ट नहीं किया कहीं पर भी, मतलब वेर एवर बेस्ट पॉसिबल ना। सीरियसली मतलब मुझे तो लगता है जब ISI रैंक 1 का इमेज लगाया मैंने कहा यार बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम है, बट आज रियलाइज हुआ कि आपको हमेशा बड़ा ही ड्रीम करना चाहिए।
Yes, ma'am. Truly said, sir. Very well said. And thank you, ma'am, for this. And I'm sure this. I'm going to put out this story, to the entire world, because this is something which I always keep on saying. मैं हमेशा मतलब जब मैं जेई पढ़ाता था ना, तो मैं अपने बच्चों को बोलता था कि IIT बॉम्बे का वेबसाइट देखो, उनकी वहाँ पे रोड्स देखो, उनकी लाइब्रेरी देखो, उनकी हॉस्टल्स देखो, एंड सुबह उठ के बस जस्ट ड्रीम दैट you're living that life. And of course, a lot of dreams at that point of time came true. But this is something जो कि मुझे और हम सबको जरूर करना चाहिए with each and every student. Thank you, ma'am, for this. And मतलब कोई वर्ड नहीं है मेरे पास अभी. So before we again proceed, we have Chetan sir with us. So Chetan sir is instrumental in conceptualizing this batch. So Rishit was a part of our first full math master batch 2025, and the idea came from Chetan sir, because उस टाइम पे हम क्या करते थे, there were different levels, अलग अलग बच्चों को ओलंपियाड हम इवॉल्व कर रहे थे, एंड ऑफ कोर्स ISI के बैचेस थे, इसके अलग बैचेस थे. तो चेतन सर said यार ये बच्चे ना परेशान होते हैं इससे, तो कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पर, कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पे, मल्टीपल बैचेस, तो व्हाई कांट वी क्रिएट अ सिंगल बैच which covers everything, and जहाँ पर हम एक अच्छा स्ट्रक्चर दें बच्चों को. एंड so this idea actually came जब हमने लॉन्च किया था, दिस केम आई थिंक 1.5 मंथ बाद, एक महीने बाद ही हमने सर शुरू कर दिया था ये वाला बैच
हाँ
आपके।
बिल्कुल। एंड इनफैक्ट
तो
उस
so
टाइम
we
पर हम
remember
लोग भी श्योर नहीं थे, इनफैक्ट उस टाइम पर हम लोग भी श्योर नहीं थे वेदर वी शुड लॉन्च दिस लॉन्ग टर्म 2 year बैच और नॉट, बिकॉज एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम हम मेजरली 5 months या 6 months के कोर्सेज ही लॉन्च करते थे।
yes,
So that was the first
so
batch. Rishit, yaar,
kudos
you made us
to
proud.
And I believe, sir, this was a great idea because personally, I see with that batch, he was able to prepare for the Olympiads as well, the IUQM, RMO stuff as well. And JE also, he got 99.92 percentile in the maths space therein. So I think what you're saying absolutely makes sense, right? The JE portions are covered, the Olympiad one is covered, ISI is covered. So basically, if you're just targeting maths in any of the colleges, any of the courses, I think this is something which gives a very good platform to the kids.
definitely, ma'am, definitely. So ma'am,
Kudos to
I
Chetan
mean,
sir.
so ma'am, how did we, I mean, you as a family decided to prepare for ISI and decided Vedantu की preparation Vedantu से ही करना है?
So I would say, sir, this is more to thank my stars in terms of finding Vedantu, because I didn't know anybody who had done it from Vedantu, and in fact, even this Olympiad was also something that I didn't know very well. I mean, I was searching internet, and there was earlier before RMO, used to be a PRMO and all that, and
Yeah,
internet was
yes.
full of a lot of information. Also, because of COVID, it was very confusing. And when I was looking for courses specifically on the math side, what exactly does this mean? That is where I was looking for these Olympiads. So initially, ISI was never a target. I was targeting Olympiads to see where exactly he can grow his thinking and all that stuff. And that is where I actually tried other institutes as well before joining Vedantu, and even personal coaches as well who really charge a huge fees per class kind of thing, but then it wasn't working out. So Rishit joined the class for almost 2 3 weeks, and then he was like, this is not working out, I'm not really enjoying these classes. Accidentally I stumbled on Vedantu class as when I was searching the internet in terms of these Olympiads and everything, and I thought, let me give it a try. The fees was also very affordable, and I thought would be worth giving a try, and that is where honestly we started. And 1 month into the classes, Rishit was like, I really like these classes. We can continue with this one, and that is how the journey started. And when he did IOQM and he cleared that, then automatically you guys moved into the RMO batch. RMO he couldn't clear because that was his first attempt in 11th, but then at that point in time you launched this full math mastery course, which I thought is going to be a good one for everything. And that's when we enrolled, because by that time we already knew that we are in the right place with the right set of guidance, right teachers and all. So going for full math mastery course at that point in time was no brainer. I mean, that time we were fully convinced. So that's when we enrolled him into full math mastery, that in 2023, I guess. Yeah, 2023.
2023 after IOKM.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So Rishit, how has been your experience in this particular batch with all the teachers and particularly Rajit sir's funders at the end?
So starting में तो मतलब when I first joined Vedantu, तो जो IOQM Prime, the batch that was going on that time, so first number theory कर रहे थे, तो like first 2 weeks जब congruence mod वगैरह कर रहे थे तो मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. तो मम्मा ने बोला कि at least give it a try for like 2 3 more weeks and then you say something. फिर उसके बाद समझ में आने लगा तो मजा भी आने लगा. proofs वगैरह हो रहे थे खुद ही, and I was like, मतलब दिस इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम स्कूल मैथ जो मैं पहले किया था 10th में. एंड दिस वाज लाइक एज इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग मैथ योरसेल्फ एंड देन यू फाइंड इट फन आल्सो. और टुवर्ड्स द एंड देन जब रजित सर का बहुत हेल्प था, मतलब रजित सर यूज्ड टू कॉल मी. और मतलब आरएमओ के टाइम पे भी रजित सर ने कॉल किया था, टिप्स दिए थे एंड मोमेंट्स पे कि व्हाट ऑल यू आर सपोज टू डू, कुछ घबराना नहीं है वगैरह. एंड even in the 2 3 months before ISI, he helped a lot. हमने weak points discuss किए थे, how to work on the weak points, कैसे work करना है उस पे, and lot of extra tests and the corrections also, कि analysis कैसे करना है tests की. it all helped a lot.
अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. सो रजित सर, मतलब आपका, बिकॉज मुझे याद है कि आफ्टर द एग्जाम यू हैड मतलब प्रिडिक्टेड कुछ बच्चों का कि रैंक आएगा ही आएगा. And of course Rishit was one of the students you mentioned. How confident were you based on his performance, because you were the ones who would work with these students, particularly in the later half of and just before the exams last 2-3 months, and आपको एक एक बच्चे की shortcomings, weaknesses, strong points पता थे. So what was the confidence you had in Rishit at that point of time?
So I definitely had, काफी कॉन्फिडेंस था मुझे कि अच्छा तो लेके आएगा. तो व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू टेल, मैं हमेशा कॉल करता था अभी सर को, जैन सर को, मैं ऐसे बोलता था कि यार सॉरी यार नॉट सर, कि टॉप 20-30 में वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ गुड डेंसिटी दिस ईयर. आई वाज प्रीटी श्योर, व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट ऑल दी स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, तो ऐसे वो 25-30 में, तो वो टॉप 20-30 रैंक्स में आई वाज लाइक कि हाँ कि आना है, एंड ऋषित्स नेम वाज देयर. But when and that is the time when I was, ending the sessions, the regular sessions, कि course पूरा हो रहा है just, ठीक है, अभी जब revision rounds शुरू होने थे, तो अब when we started doing that, we had sessions for these everything and all. I was, actually, मैं तब contact कम करता था बच्चों को, but I was at the back looking at the results, at the sessions, performances, जो भी चीजें वो सारी I was just having a look, and then I started, picking up कि हाँ कि these are the kids जो अपने वो top 20-30 में they have a very good potential to land. And coming down the end, the best part of his was, first of all, he knew the entire syllabus, which was a very big thing. मतलब end तक आता तो यही होता है कि कोई ना कोई टॉपिक वीक होता है. इसके साइड से वो कभी था ही नहीं कि कोई टॉपिक वीक हो. तो he had a good confidence in everything. He had a balanced perspective, कि मतलब ये नहीं है कि सर एक बहुत ही strong हो गया, एक बीच में रह गया. He had a balanced perspective of every single topic, and he was quite smooth with all the workings and all. So आई वॉज कॉन्फिडेंट. जब रिजल्ट भी आया तो सबसे पहले जब हमारे आया कि ही टोल्ड मी कि सर मेरे यूजीए में 110 है, एंड यूजीए में इट्स लाइक 5 क्वेश्चंस. तो आई वाज प्रीटी श्योर कि टॉप 5 तो पक्का है. टॉप 5 से बाहर तो जाने का मतलब ही नहीं है, ठीक है. एंड व्हेन आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड, उसको तो वेदांतु का रिजल्ट हमने इकट्ठा किया, जितने बच्चों से बात की थी
नहीं,
हमने
मुझे याद है
वहाँ
कि
से
और भी बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ये बोला था कि मेरे 100 प्लस है एंड 5 क्वेश्चन था, 6 क्वेश्चन था, बट आपने बोला था कि ऋषित, एक बच्चे ने 6 क्वेश्चन भी बोला था, बट यू सेड ओके ऋषित इज गोइंग टू बीट हिम.
Yes,
You had that kind
definitely,
of
because
confidence.
6 questions was a very ideal number, and if someone is claiming 6 or 6 plus, it was very clear कि ये मतलब वो नहीं इतनी आराम से हो रहा. तो if और ठीक है, and UGA, and it's not like कि UGA कोई कर नहीं सकता and UGA एकदम से फोड़ देगा. It always goes in a balanced shape. And having serious performances, एक कोई इस पे trust भी ये था कि if he's saying he has done 5, तो he has done 5. ये वो वाला एक जो
Yes.
फैक्टर होता है, वो अगेन वो जो एक से बात करके विद एक्सपीरियंस आया था कि हाँ, तो इफ ही हैज सेड 5, इट इज 5. इफ इट्स 110, इट इज 110. एंड दीज आर लाइक वेरी गुड, वेरी बिग नंबर्स टॉकिंग टू एनीवन. तो हर जगह से जितने भी रिजल्ट कंपाइल करके, तो आई वाज प्रीटी श्योर कि अब वो 5 बोला था तो टॉप 3 में भी कन्वर्ट हो गया था वो. एंड इट वाज जस्ट फिंगर्स क्रॉस कि अब वो पानी आना चाहिए. ऑल्दो मेरे को जितने भी लोगों से बात की थी, इससे बेटर स्कोर मुझे कोई मिला ही नहीं था. तो जस्ट कि आउट ऑफ लक अगर गलती से 2 पे ना शिफ्ट हो जाए, बस दैट वाज द ओनली थिंग. मतलब बाकी तो आई वाज प्रीटी श्योर आफ्टर दिस कि हाँ, कि देयर इज नो चांस कि कोई आ रहा है इसके साथ.
अमेजिंग. बात साथ में वो सामने पोस्टर भी तो था ना ऋषित के, वो one वाला.
Right, definitely.
So
Yeah.
amazing. So
Super
Rishit,
amazing.
I mean, coming back to you, so this is the one question which a lot of students ask me particularly. So I think at this stage it is better you you answer that. कितना पढ़ाई करते थे over the last 2 years on a daily basis, on an average? What was the amount of study hours that you put in, average on daily basis? Because of course this cannot be standardized. But
Yeah.
कुछ ऐसा सोचा हुआ था कि ये स्टडी रूटीन है और इसमें पढ़ाई ही करनी है, या और were there any other activities that you were doing apart from studies?
सो मतलब जब स्कूल चल रहा था मेरा, मतलब जो आईएसआई की बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई जो स्टार्ट की थी वो मतलब आयो 11th 20 आयोक्यों के बाद ही स्टार्ट की थी. तो जब मतलब स्कूल चल रहा था तब तो लाइक स्कूल के बाद आई कम होम अराउंड लाइक 3:30 ish, एंड सो I'd study for like 3 to 4 hours after school, like in a day, and then weekends पे around like 8-9 hours during school. And school का ज़्यादा मतलब रहता नहीं था. Mostly it was only math, because school I could cover pretty easily without doing anything at home much, except for like during exams. That time I used to like cut down on my math studies. And फिर this was like regular till the end of मतलब till the last 4 5 months, and then last 4 5 months में school नहीं था, boards मतलब 4 5 months नहीं 2 3 months में school नहीं था, boards खत्म हो गए थे, तो फिर it was like around 11 12 hours a day for the end stretch.
Oh, amazing, amazing. Kudos
So
to
for the
all the
last
efforts.
few months, for the last
Yes,
few
ma'am.
months, he was like glued to his study chair. I mean, it was just only the meal breaks that he used to take, and also occasionally basketball he used to play with his friends in the society. But apart from that, he was really, really consistent. I mean, I think starting January, I would say, after he wasn't really, I mean, he didn't have to go to school regularly. I think after that, it was constant there for him.
Amazing, amazing. So, ma'am, one question I have to ask you, and sir, in this age wherein a lot of students, first choice is automatically J. How did you decide that he had to go for math, or I mean, what made you go for this college and not go behind J preparation?
So for me, it was always his decision, Rishit's decision. We actually both of us we never wanted to push him on anything because we knew ये जो भी करेगा बेस्ट करेगा. मतलब लास्ट 6 7 years 8 years what we are seeing him कि ये किसी भी फील्ड में चला जाए. मतलब 11th स्टार्ट में we were thinking of him into the commerce मतलब after 10th. But somehow that has changed. His mind has changed, and then हमने कहा जो इसने सोचा है वो अच्छा ही सोचा है. तो बस इसने कहा मुझे इंजीनियरिंग साइड नहीं जाना है, and we have supported him. And Asta, you can tell.
No, I mean, on the same lines, basically, it was more that he wanted to do something in maths. And initially, we were contemplating if actuarial is the space that he needs to get into. And that is the reason we were contemplating commerce as a base. It could have helped. But then we realized that it's better to have a base in 11th and 12th in science. And then after 12th, he can decide which particular stream he wants to get into. And purely because of this reason, because JEE, yes, it is a proven path. You know that once you get into, you will at least land somewhere. I mean, even if you don't get the IITs, you will get NIT or some good college there. But the only thing was that if he doesn't want to study engineering, what's the point in us making him do that just for a safe path? I mean, we have studied in an age where we looked for something safe, something secure. But I think thankfully at this point in time we have that kind of awareness and also the ability to let the kids do something that they really enjoy doing. And for us that was something, and maths again is not something very very niche, I would say, like any other courses. I mean, it builds that foundation for many good courses in future, mathematics and statistics. So it was not a very difficult choice for us as well to support Rishit in what he was thinking. And then I think your videos and this one also really helped trying to understand the Olympiad path and talking about ISI as an institute, because again, ISI as institute is a very niche institute, a very underrated one, which I would say not many people know about it. And because obviously it doesn't have that much of international students or the kind of corporate rigor for that matter. But then the kind of reviews that I read after ISI, what exactly the institute is about, and I spoke to some of the alumni from there, from my LinkedIn network and all, and that's when I realized that it's something that he really should go for. And then for us, it became a very clear choice that if he's able to crack that, then it's a good foundation for him in terms of his career.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you for finding us. This is what I can say. So, anything else, Rajat sir? If you any last words before?
So
Yes.
for me, it is like matlab mein bhi naach raha hu. Literally, I cannot tell you like how happy I am
Or one side.
with all this.
And maybe there's
Amazing.
one more thing, sir, that I would like to add, what makes your institute slightly different from the other ones that I have an experience of. See, in terms of the guidance and all, whatever needs to be told in terms of studies and everything is always there with other institutes. Maybe everybody tries to do their best. But what I've always seen in the classes that you guys take and the videos that you have, there is a lot of emotional support that you give to the students, saying that doesn't matter whatever is your IOQM result, it is important that you have tried it, it is important that you have thought about it. So I think it's not about the destination, but it's more about the journey. And I think that really plays a very important role for a student, because even if he's not cracked something or one paper hasn't gone that well in terms of test series, he's still appreciated for doing it,
The
for the
efforts that
thinking
matter.
process therein. So I think that that is a very, very strong point. I mean, the motivation that you give to the students, and especially coming in this from a teacher who has seen all the students and who knows what exactly does it mean to crack these kind of exams, I think it really means a lot, because as a parent, you would always support your child, but a teacher
Yes.
supporting, saying that you did well, that really makes a lot of difference. So I think that is one thing that really sets your institute and your teaching style, both your Rajat sir and everybody, I mean the Vedantu team, it really sets you apart.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
One
for the
thing
words.
I'd like to add is, so like, I guess 1 2 days back only when I was talking to ma'am, like congratulating her for the result. So she said one thing which actually made me very, very happy, which we actually tried to tell everyone. Doesn't matter whether you clear this IOQM and RMO or not, but it's the preparation that matters. And she said that it helped Rishit in that Olympiad preparation, which actually, gave results here. So like, this thing with the message we try to deliver that actually is reaching people. They're actually, picking it up. That actually made me very happy during that time.
I mean, yes. So I think it adds more responsibility to us. We will have to keep on, motivating a lot of students who watch us. So with a more bigger responsibility from now on, Rajit sir, Chetan sir, let's carry on the good work. So, Rishit, before we part, yeah, anything that you would want to tell to the future aspirants who are eyeing ISI 2026, ISI 2027? Any one piece of advice, anything that you want to tell before we end this session?
That mostly that if you're like studying online, then distractions management is like a lot, it's like very key in this. So I would say that time management and distraction management, if you can like get a control over that, then it's like you already got a good rank in ISI.
Amazing. Okay, since you mentioned online, and this is for ma'am and sir, you also. Uh, did you have confidence on the online platform like Vedantu, or were you also contemplating the offline? How did you decide कि इसको online ही करवाना है?
See, honestly, we did not have any option. So
Oh, okay.
when we started with this, I wasn't able to find any offline classes around on this particular space, and that's why we said, okay, let's try with Vedantu. And when I said when Rishit started with Vedantu, he really liked it. So then it was like that. If it is working out, why do we really break our head into anything else? And then it worked out well. So it started because we did not have any option, but then it worked beautifully.
And I feel like the online one was actually better for me compared to offline because of the flexibility that you get in the recordings also. Like अगर class miss हो जाएगी तो recordings देख सकते हैं. Like almost all of my sessions जो मैंने देखे हैं वो recording से ही देखे हैं, क्योंकि मेरा ऐसा था कि जब क्लास में हो रहा था then I wouldn't like probably get enough time to solve the question, or it would take too slow. Like sir करवा रहे हो मेरा already हो गया है, तो मतलब I could like fast forward or pause
Be
it
able to
to.
pace according your own speed.
So that's why I like the online one better.
So here,
And also in case of cities like Bangalore where the traffic is pathetic, I mean, it makes sense to have online classes rather than the kids spending 4 hours on the road there.
True, true, ma'am.
so actually, whenever these classes he doesn't attend of yours live classes, I used to tell him "Ki you should attend the live classes because their teacher will come to know that who you are,
Yes.
and accordingly he will be able to support you more. So I used to tell him that answer the questions whenever you are getting, when Sunray is asking any question, you he used to solve and keep it quiet. मतलब आप लोग पूछ रहे हैं उधर से, and he doesn't used to respond कि हाँ चलो भाई मेरा हो गया है, मतलब ये शांति से बैठा रहेगा या फिर. And 2 3 times because of my push he attended the live, but after then again he has gone to his own thing, and we were okay with that also कि ठीक है, मतलब आई गॉट हिज लॉजिक कि कभी कभी सर किसी प्रॉब्लम को समझा रहा है, मेरा हो गया है, मुझे लॉजिक समझ में आ गया है, तो मुझे आगे बढ़ना है, तो देयर ही सेव्स टाइम। एंड समटाइम्स एज ही सेज कि कुछ क्वेश्चंस नहीं हो पाते हैं टाइम पर, तो भी he does it with leisure at the in the offline time.
Yeah,
So
so this is
both are good.
one, yes. So this is one issue that we were always trying to solve, right? So I mean, of course, the students who answer, so teacher को पता चल जाता है ये कौन कैसा है, and but there are a lot of students like Rishit who would not answer. We had faced this problem before also. So this is where the role of Rajit sir came in. So Rajit sir basically tracked the scores, test scores of every person, and then on the basis of scores, of course, he shortlisted some जिनको रजिस्टर को लगता था कि they would be able to perform really well in this exam, or for that matter the same thing that we is something that we do in RMO and IOKM also. IOKM classes, RMO classes also, there are a lot of students who are able to solve a problem, but they keep mum. They don't like to brag about it. But again, the tests that we conduct on the basis of the test and or other things, that we are able to track those students. So yes, so thank you, Rishit. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Chetan sir and Raj sir,
Thank you so
for
much.
this time. I'm sure this video is definitely going to inspire a lot of students and parents. And thank you for your views on this.